video in. Yo, we had a good day, BT Dubs. Y'all got to see me do the other side of camera work that I do. It's actually been a while since I've done it, but yeah, we did a nice little pool party, photo/video shoot. So that was fun. I don't know if I'll put that in the. I should probably put it in there so y'all can see the other side of what I do. But that wouldn't even be classified as car content at that point. Feel me? Boy, these bumps is rough. Matter of fact, I need to go this way. This way I need to go. Definitely need to go this way. I could have made that, but you know, people be getting scared. I'm gonna see if I can get up there with that Mustang. It's hot, yo. I gotta roll the window down. Don't like ride next to semi trucks at all. Not a fan. Nah, they on brakes. We getting off the highway. I should go that way. Matter of fact, we'll go that way. I'm gonna go that way. Yeah, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that traffic mess at all. We not doing that traffic mess at all. I don't like this road. It's too bumpy. But this road will take you east and west, and I need to go west, so that's what we're doing. We see what's finna happen. Look at this Mustang pulled up. He pulled up on me. He pulled up on me. Bitch on the real quick. Is he coming? I see he coming. I ain't gonna grab. I'm gonna scratch. I'm gonna scratch the whole way through. Let's see what we get. Woo. Yeah. Oh, he don't wanna do nothing. He don't wanna play. He don't wanna do nothing. He got the tunes on though. He jamming. That mug nice. That mug nice. That mug clean. That mug is clean though. I'll tell you that much. Yeah, that mug clean. Yeah, you think he wanna? You think? Nah, he don't wanna do that. He jamming. That's probably copyright. I'm gonna have to roll up. Yeah, that's copyright. He turned up though. He in his head, boy. The music whack, low key though. The music definitely whack. Now I'm sure it's probably fire, but right now I don't think that's the right music for today. I don't think that's the right music. He did let off the clutch kind of crazy, so you know, I had to let him know. Nah, hey, that 5.0 though, that 5.0 was clean though. I ain't gonna hold you, that mug was clean. That mug was definitely clean, yo. I wonder if I can get on the highway right here. What's this, Rockwell? Nah, that's a no. I could have got off down there probably. I can't even do it down here. That's wild, yo. Little action for y'all, you know. A little bit more action. Yo, I can't do nothing down here. These roads is bumpy. I can't even go around. Yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell. We on the road to 500 subscribers. Posted a short this morning. It ain't nothing too crazy, but we got 1K views. I think that's pretty decent for what it is. I think it was probably like maybe 8 seconds long. May have been quicker than that, but or more time than that. But for the most part, we got 1K. I made 1K on the short. So I'm happy about that. I just got to get them likes up. That's all. I just got to get them likes up. But hey, 1,000 people saw it, so it is what it is. And he finna pull around. Is he pulling around? He pulling around. Yeah, he ain't want to do nothing. He acting up right now, bro. Bro, that's security. They don't do nothing. That's rent-a-cops. That's rent-a-cops. They not finna do nothing. But this road too rough to be doing anything, honestly. We can get on the highway, man. We'll run on the highway if you want to. We could have got on the highway back there. This road too rough to be doing anything, man. I don't know if he wanna. He ain't making no space for me, so we. We'll see what's up. What are you doing? Mug nice, boy. You got some cages in there? Yeah, that mug clean. That mug clean though. You don't want to do nothing though. He not paying me no attention, bro. He ain't paying me no attention, bro. I done dropped a gear. I dropped 3 gears. He not playing. He don't want to play with me, bro. I'm gonna leave him alone, man. He keep acting like he wants to, but then he don't do nothing, bro. He ain't trying to play with me, bro. I'm gonna leave him alone, man. He ain't trying to do nothing, bro. If he take off on me, though, I'm gonna let him. He got it, bro. We gonna go the long way, because I don't feel like going down. This road too bumpy to do anything, like I said. I'm gonna be everywhere, because these Pirellis is ashy, bro. I'm gonna get some tires, y'all. I'm gonna get some new tires eventually. I'm gonna enjoy them while I got them. But yeah, like I said, dang, they already, man, what they finna build? Some apartments right here? Golly, man. It's gonna be trafficy right here. There's gonna be all kind of accidents right here all the time now. Anytime they put apartments in, you can bet you believe there's gonna be accidents all the time. Boy, I hate this road. I feel like that's it's not. I thought it was, bro. I be looking at the rack mounts and I'm like, yo, what's that? It's a cop in it. It's not. It's regular Xterra. I remember when those first came out. That was nice.